Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of using a subpar coffee pot that's holding you back from brewing the perfect cup? Look no further than the commercial coffee pot replacement by enjoyme. This game-changing product is designed to elevate your coffee experience with its impressive features and benefits. The enjoyme commercial coffee pot replacement is well-reviewed and a popular choice among coffee enthusiasts, with many customers swearing by its performance. One of the standout features of this product is its sturdy build, made with high-quality ABS materials that ensure safety and durability. The comfortable handle and tight-fit spout provide a secure grip and pouring control, making it easy to pour coffee without spilling a drop. The sound of the coffee flowing smoothly from the spout is music to the ears, and the feel of the handle in your hand is solid and reassuring. The wide compatibility of this coffee pot replacement is also a major benefit, allowing you to use it with various machines and stoves in both home and commercial settings. The transparent design lets you see the coffee level, and the specially designed spout ensures less leaking when you pour. Whether you're running a busy cafe or just need a reliable coffee pot for your home kitchen, this product is a practical helper that can keep up with your demands. In real-life use cases, this product shines, providing a convenient and efficient way to brew and serve coffee to large groups. The 1.2 QD capacity is perfect for casual dining, cafes, and coffee shops, and the fact that it can be filled with hot milk and tea makes it a versatile addition to any kitchen. With the enjoyme commercial coffee pot replacement, you can say goodbye to coffee pot woes and hello to a seamless brewing experience. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself, you won't be disappointed. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.